Welcome to Check Your Day, the daily podcast with Renča, aka your guide through the jungle called Czech. We spend 5 minutes from Monday to Friday to get better at one topic in Czech. Ahoj, welcome! This week is all about means of transport, but today we will mainly focus on how to express to go in Czech because it's tricky. We don't have just one verb. We have 2 different words for that action. Let's dive right in. Jdeme na to. So how can we express to go in Czech? What's the difference? Before using it in Czech, you need to realize whether you are going on foot or you are using some means of transport. If you go on foot, you have to say JÍT. If you use means of transport, you have to say JET. JÍT. If you go on foot, jdu domů. I am going home. Jdu domů. Jdeš ven? Are you going out? Jdeš ven? Jana jde do práce. Jana is going to work. Jana jde do práce. Jdeme do školy. We are going to school. Jdeme do školy. Jdete do obchodu. Are you going to the shop? Jdete do obchodu. Jdou do supermarketu. Are they going to the supermarket? Jdou do supermarketu. Jet. If you use means of transport, jedu domů autem. Jedu autem domů. I'm going home by car. Jedu domů autem. Jedu autem domů. Is it difficult for you to pronounce jedu correctly? Then think about the English word yes. Yeah. Yeah. That's exactly what we need. Je, and then you add du. Jedu. 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 Já jedu. Jedeš teď trolejbusem? Are you going by the trolleybus now? Jedeš teď trolejbusem? Jana jede vlakem. Jana is going by train. Jana jede vlakem. Jedeme do školy autobusem. We are going to school by bus. Jedeme do školy autobusem. Jedete do obchodu tramvají? Are you going to the shop by tram? Jedete do obchodu tramvají? Jedou teď taxíkem? Are they going by taxi now? Jedou teď taxíkem? How can you remember the difference? Check the infinitives. Jít, jet. Jet has all the forms with the E sound. Jedu, jedeš, jede, jedeme, jedete, jedou. Amazing! So now you know all the forms in the present tense for to go on foot and to go, for example, by car. And you have already learned some places where you can go. I picked the most frequent ones so that you can build your vocabulary in a meaningful way. What I would like you to do now, create your own sentences. I have one more challenge for you. Go to my website, czech-me.com, print the handout and check the means of transport in the sentences. How they change the endings. Do all of them follow the same pattern? Check it out. Give me a high five. Right now, you really deserve a reward because you have just spent 5 or 6 minutes of your time, but they were meaningful because you are getting closer to your dream. That means getting better at Czech. So, see you again tomorrow. I can't wait because there will be a new topic that will help us understand Friday's story. Ahoy!